Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Polomi and today I'll be showing you 3 quick yet essential tips to modify your videos and a software which I would be using today called Movavi. Let's straight head over my computer and see what's else there. Hello friends, I am on my Movavi workstation. This is the worksheet. So my first tip would be how to remove a background of any video. For that, first I will go to File Import, the left hand side top, left hand side corner. Then I'll go to Add Files and I'll take the access of the drive where I have kept my videos. So I'll take 2 videos. I can just drag and drop them here and I'm done. Now I will have to take them, any one of it on the track, and I'll have to go to background. If I'm taking any background from here, suppose I'm taking this background, so I'll have to bring the background at the bottom. Now initially this will not come at the bottom, so rather you will have to take your main video on the top of this background and you'll have to make sure that the background covers the entire video, right? And now as soon as I click, and now next is I'll have to click on the main video. Then I'll have to go to this button for sections, and from here I'll have to check the chroma key and I'll have to take the key, this color dropper, and I'll have to press it on the background, right? And boom, it is done, it is gone. As because this was flawless green at the back, there was no crease, no glitch, so it has automatically taken the video background and now it is absolutely removed, right? This is how you can change and how easily you can basically change the background of any video. That is my first tip. My tip number 2 would be how to give a beautiful transition between 2 videos. So I have taken another video just next to my first video. So I've taken my second video. It is the same way how it is coming. It's very plain and simple, right? I don't want that. I want this juncture to be a little different in looking, and there should be a kind of proper transition. So what do I do for that? I go to this third button from the top, it is a third button, and if I go to all, I will get numerous numbers of transitions. So I can pick any one I feel like. Now here, this is my personal favorite transition which I very often use, so I would be using it. So you just need to drag it and drop it in between. If you want to shrink the transition layer, then you can just bring your cursor at the end, left hand side or right hand side end, and you can drag it, pull it inward so that the transition field is little shrinked, right? Now you see how does it look like after giving the transition. Boom. This is how the transition makes your entire video look more linear and beautiful, right? This was my next tip. I very often use this transition between 2 different parts of the video. It's really great tool to segregate from one part to another and bring attention of your viewer. So this was my second tip. Let's move forward to my third important tip from Movavi. Now my next tip is, what if you want a part of this video to be overlaid by some other video? Let's suppose first I'll have to go to this, any video you can take. You can even import videos from outside. So here I'm using one readily available video which Movavi gives out of the box. So I'm just taking this video which is already downloaded. Suppose I want this video to be at the middle of this video, right? Now you see the problem, this video goes the upside in the layer, so that shouldn't happen. So I will instead bring it here and put it here, right? Now I don't want the entire video part to be occupied by this overlay. So what do I do for that? I just shrink it till the time I want to, and then I will click on the part of that video. Then I'll again go to this 4 button and I will search for overlay option, which is basically the third from left hand side, the third option. Now I can choose in which way I want to overlay this video. Is it Is it going to occupy the entire screen of my video, or I want it to be at one side of my video? I can go for a logo sized overlay. I just want this logo to be significantly come and stay here for a while and go away, or I want half of the video to be part of this main video and half. So there are different forms of overlay. You can just plug and play and shift it and see what is coming more significant for you, what is being so more meaningful for your video. So I will preferably go for the whole overall screen thing. Overall screen occupation. So I will go like this and you just see how it looks like. Then I will give another small tip or magic which I improvise after even going for a straightaway overlay part. So this is how the overlay is coming. Now you see one problem, if you be a little detailed in here, you will find that this video is kind of suddenly starting and suddenly getting off, right? So I want that. I want a beautiful subtle fade effect here. So how do I get it? All I'll have to do is I'll have to just select the overlay video, and here you see as soon as you double click on that, you get one fade in option and fade out option. So if you put any number here, if suppose I put it 1 second in fade in and in fade out, again another 1 second. Now if I show you, you will see the difference. Why I told you this is very important. Now you see the difference, how the overlay is coming. It's kind of a wavy feeling, you know, like it is not that suddenly starting and suddenly going off. So this was my third tip, which I very often use for my most of the YouTube videos. If you watch my other videos, you can relate it. Well, in this relation, I would like to tell you that I have made a complete tutorial on Movavi software, because believe it or not, if you're a beginner and if you really want to kickstart your career as a video editor, and or else maybe you are an YouTuber like me and you really want to use a very user-friendly software for your daily use, I strongly recommend you to go to the top right hand side I button, where I'll be getting that video, and after watching this video, definitely go and check that out. It will add a lot of value. So thank you so very much for staying here with me and giving me enough encouragement to carry on with my YouTube journey and making more and more tutorials for you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to please do subscribe to my channel. It does not cost you anything, but this means the world to me. If you've liked my video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Just to mention, I am coming on live on Facebook every Monday with the startup grooming tips which you need if you are at the initial stage of your business, if you are a homemaker, or if you are a student. How can you kickstart your startup career? Today till here, I'll come back with some stunning video next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary, and keep watching my videos and keep liking my videos. Thank you so much.